Yeah. We're back again with yet another trading signal. At least this is London section, and we've traded, and the result is going well. This is let me go for the pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. You can see. Since morning, as I said earlier, when I entered my first trade, it was just for a buy, and it's still going for a buy. But I said this will be going up, so you can see. And at that, this is our pounds JPY. We're sitting. Okay, I entered how many trades? Three trades. The first one is at 118. The second one 107. This is the first one. The second one is 102. The third one is 109. It's fluctuating. So see, it's trading. It's going well. I know it's gonna go up. I just decided to enter three at the same time. So let's check our US JPY. Let me check US JPY. For this time that I saw signals, and I saw this is looking beautiful. You can see this one. See this moving average, the way the thing just cross here. This is just a sign to buy. If you're using a moving average, this is as the red crosses this blue going up, you know that this is a bullish trend. You need to be for a buy, and we're buying. You can see US JPY. You can see here US JPY is sitting at 102. So the trading is trading. So for AUD, AUDS, AUD USDT. This one is down. You can see the way this thing cross here. You can see it here. My pointer crosses. You know that is a sharp sell. The thing is going down. It will go down. This thing will go down. But now it's not going to go straight down. You have to like breathe in, breathe out. The market has to be breathing in, breathing out. We're sitting at $6 for AUD USDT. So it's trading. It's going up $9. You see, it's really going down. So we're sitting total at total of our trades is at 492. Now $500. So it's still going. The trading is trading. So thank you, my fellow people. At least you can even enter your trade now, because it's a good time, at least from now to 4. Although it depends on your time, the time in your country, it depends. So anyone that wants to trade now, you open your chart, you enter trade for AUD USD. Is a sell signal. You can just determine to take maybe 50 pips, 20 pips. It depends on your risk management, your risk appetite. It depends on your risk to reward that you're always using. Me, I use risk to reward of 1:2. That is what I do. So it depends on your risk appetite. It depends on your risk management. I know how to use my risk management properly. So you go and try it. I think I need to teach you people risk management one of these days. How to calculate it, how much you have, and how much pips do you supposed to enter for that trade. How much lot size, I mean to say lot size you're supposed to use for every balance you have in your account. You need to calculate that risk. You know how to do the risk management calculation. Thank you for this, till I come to you with yet another video. So thank you for now, and bye for now. Love you. Please don't forget to share subscribe share. Give me a like. Click that like button, click it. You can share, you can comment on the comment section what you want to know. Thank you so much.